Stupid ass.
Go ahead, Megan.
Megan. You
can't put her on the spot like that.
Okay.
This is the last round.
Incognito.
You can ask her on a date if that makes you more comfortable.
What are you whispering it for?
She goes,
Oh.
no. Especially when you're filming me.
I'm not.
What?
Ew.
Can you look at me?
Okay.
Why are you whispering for? What was it?
The answer's yes.
What was the question?
They were on date.
When?
Wednesday.
You're such
Wednesday.
boring.
It's like every Wednesday though. Very predictable people. Okay. What's this?
Boring.